Hey, if you want to change the lock screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first you will have to open your phone and click and hold on the home screen and select Wallpaper and the style. Now click on the lock screen, select Wallpapers on the left upper corner, and from this you can actually pick something from this graphical wallpapers, from this featured. Below we can also find colors, and right here we can also find some wallpaper services, like for example the dynamic lock screen, and this function actually allows you to change wallpaper each time you lock or unlock the screen. But if you want to set custom photo, you can do this by clicking here, open any of your album, for example from your camera, select and then click done, and now you can get your photo on the wallpaper. You have to click done in the right upper corner. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.